Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below, as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week, we ask which is a more effective credit repair tool, secured or unsecured credit cards. Both secured and unsecured cards can be effective credit repair tools, but their effectiveness depends on your individual credit situation and financial goals. Let's explore the characteristics of each type of credit card. In this video, we will weigh these pros and cons. If you find it challenging to create a plan, consider consulting with Expert Credit Care, who can generate a plan based on your specific credit situation. Remember, no case is the same, and sometimes you just need someone to point you in the right direction. First, we look at secured credit cards. Pros: easier to get. Secured cards are more accessible to those with poor credit, as the deposit mitigates the risk for the issuer. Credit building: responsible use of a secured card, including making timely payments and keeping credit utilization low, can help improve your credit score over time. Graduation to unsecured card: some card issuers may offer the option to upgrade to an unsecured card after showing good credit use. Cons: they require a deposit. You'll need to provide a cash deposit, which will be your credit limit. This money is held as collateral and returned when you close the account or upgrade to an unsecured card. These cards are the more traditional type of credit, where the issuer extends you a line of credit. Approval is based on credit worthiness. Let's find out more. Unsecured credit cards are your more typical types credit cards. These cards don't require a deposit, and you will not need to wait for a deposit refund when closing the account or upgrading. Another pro is credit building. Using an unsecured credit card responsibly can positively impact your credit score and demonstrate your ability to manage credit. However, there are also cons with these cards. They're harder to get with poor credit. Unsecured credit cards are generally more challenging to get if you have a damaged credit history or a low credit score. Higher fees and interest rates: individuals with lower credit scores may be offered unsecured cards with higher interest rates and large annual fees. Expert Credit Care can help assist you in making the decision for your situation. In conclusion, if you're trying to rebuild your credit and are having difficulty getting approved for an unsecured credit card, a secured credit card can be a valuable tool to start your credit journey. It allows you to establish a positive payment history and build credit while minimizing the risk for the card issuer. As your credit improves, you may qualify for unsecured cards with better terms and rewards, providing more flexibility in managing your finances. Remember that regardless of the type of credit card you choose, responsible credit use is essential for improving your credit score. Make timely payments, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on more debt than you can handle to maximize the benefits of either secured or unsecured credit cards for credit repair.